Hey guys, wanna know how to create magic avatar using Lensa? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now first up, open up your Lensa app. Now, you'll be prompted with this page. Right below, you can see magic avatar, so simply click on it. Now, you can choose the type of avatar you want. You will go from a single, dual and also change your gender. So once you've found the right one, just simply click on it. Select continue with one style. You can also select up to 10 styles at a time. Now you need to upload photos. Just simply click up to 4 photos and then upload it. And once you've done it, just simply click on start generating. Unfortunately, this feature has a paywall. So if you are a premium user, your avatar should be created. It should look just like the preview. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.